Hello guys, let's practice together about dates and numbers. Do you remember when I told you about two types of numbers? Ordinal numbers, cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, 1,000, million, and so on. But ordinal number is the one in front of you. First, 1st, second, 2nd, third, 3rd, fourth, 4th, fifth, 5th, then sixth till 10th, everyone is th. What about 20th? Okay, if I have 21, it's again 21st, 22nd, 23rd. If I have 30th, it is th. If I have 31, so it's a 31st, 31st. This is 1. Let's practice now. Look at the question, complete the words. Ninth, not nine. 9 is cardinal. Ninth with th is ordinal. So what is number 1 now? What is number 1 here? Yeah, that's right, correct. Third. So third is I. Good. 20th. I. Fifth. F. First. I. That's correct. Let's go. Eighth. How could you write eighth? Yes. H. Okay, 16th. Correct. 14th, the same as 4. Yes, you. 14th. 13th. Yes, correct. Second, it's E. Second. Okay, let's go to another exercise. It's about the dates. How to write the date of the day. I have here a question of calendar of 2 months. One is March, the second is April. So this is the calendar now. The question is, answer the questions, write the dates as we say them. Look at the first one. When is the first Saturday in March? Saturday is a day after Friday. So this is March and this is Friday. So this is Saturday. So when is the first Saturday of March? Is 3rd. So you say 3rd of March or March the 3rd. So the answer is March the 3rd or the 3rd of March. You can say both. Let's answer the second one. When is the second Tuesday in April? Second Tuesday in April. So this is April now. And this is Tuesday. First Tuesday is that one. Second Tuesday is that one. 10th. You say what? 10th of April. 10th of April. Or April the 10th. April the 10th. April the 10th. Or the 10th of April. So this is number 2. What's number 2 here? The second Wednesday in April. Second Wednesday in April. So Wednesday is the 1. Second Wednesday is the 1. So what you say here is April the 11th. April the 11th. You say the 11th. April the 11th. 11th. That's right. Or the 11th of April. The 11th of April. This is how to say that. Okay, that's perfect. Sure, I'll not complete that with you, but I will leave you for a minute to do that. Number 3. The first Sunday in March. The first Sunday in March. This is now March. This is Sunday. And this is the first Sunday of March. Who can say it? Yes, March the 4th. March the 4th. Or the 4th of March. The 4th of March. That's right. Correct. Let's go to the last exercise. The last exercise is about the dates. Here, write the dates or years as we say. 6th of September. 9 is September. Day is the 6th. So you can say the 6th of September or September the 6th. September the 6th. So 2 ways to say that. Who can say number 1? Day, month. Day, month. What is it now? Yes, the 3rd of February. Right. The 3rd of February. The 3rd of February. Or February the 3rd. February the 3rd. You can say that. Thank you for today's exercise.